What's up, team? This is Juan Leija here at Onnit Gym. Today I'm going to be taking you through a single kettlebell 300 workout. This workout can be done in two ways. The way I've written it out, where you do it by sets and reps, or 300 reps as fast as possible. Kettlebell swings. You're going to be doing 5 sets of 10 reps or complete them as fast as possible. We're going to be looking here, you want to make sure that you hinge at the hips. Make sure you stretch those hamstrings in that bottom position, then drive through the hips to get that kettlebell up to about chest level. Kettlebell clean. You're gonna be doing 5 sets of 10 reps on each side or complete them as fast as possible. You're gonna be doing here, you wanna make sure that you rotate that thumb in slightly. You're gonna drive through the legs and then you're gonna pull that arm up, catching that kettlebell in a rack position. You wanna make sure that when you're in the rack position, that elbow is beneath that wrist so you have a nice strong rack. If someone were to go over and hit that kettlebell from the top, it wouldn't move anywhere. Kettlebell press. This one is for 5 sets of 10 reps on each side. You're gonna start off in a nice strong rack position. Elbow beneath the wrist. You're gonna press out, flaring that arm out, and then you're gonna press up overhead, getting that bicep next to that ear. You're gonna bring it down in that same track that you took it up, bring it back to that rack position. Goblet squat. You'll be doing 5 sets of 10 here. You wanna make sure that you get that kettlebell up in that rack position. You can either hold it by the ball or you can hold it by the horns. You wanna make sure that when you're in this position, you're driving those elbows back, making sure your upper back is engaged and your core. As you go down, make sure to push those knees outward with control and then drive up. As you come up, make sure in that top position, you squeeze those glutes and squeeze those quads. All right, team, that concludes the 300 single kettlebell workout. If you enjoyed that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions for future content, leave it in the comments section. If you're looking for more workouts, make sure to click here.